Hello students, welcome to our chapter number 13, direct and inverse proportion. Okay, so we know that variation means what? If two quantities depend on each other in a such a way that the change in one result in a corresponding change in the other, then the two quantities are said to be in variation. Okay, so today we discuss what is variation or proportion. We know that there are two types of proportion. What? Direct proportion and inverse proportion. So what is direct proportion? See here. So we come across many situations in our day-to-day life. We face many situations in our day-to-day life where we see variation in such quantities in one quantities bring about the variation in the other quantities. So example, suppose if the number of articles purchased increase, the total cost also increase. Means suppose x and y are two variable, x is increase, then y also increase. In the other hand, suppose y is decrease and also x is decrease. So another example, suppose more of the money deposited in the bank. Suppose we deposit some money, so we more interest also, and as the speed of a vehicle increase, the time taken to cover the same distance decrease. In this way, in this situation, speed is increase, then the distance is decrease. So many situations, different situations. कहाँ पर increase, both are increase. Suppose we deposit some money, we deposit more money, we earn more interest. So both are increase. But in this case, in the speed of vehicle increase, then the distance will be decrease. One is increase, another one is decrease. More the number of workers, the time taken to complete the given will be less. Suppose ज़्यादा लोग काम करेंगे एक काम को कम दिन में करेंगे, कम लोग वही काम को करेंगे तो ज़्यादा दिन लगेगा. तो ये जो डिफरेंट सिचुएशन हम फेस करें हमारा डे टू डे लाइफ, सो दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ proportion, direct or indirect or inverse. Okay, maybe direct proportion or inverse proportion. Okay, so what is direct proportion? Let's consider two quantities in which we are going to see the variation x and y. As the value of quantities x is increased, suppose x is increased. Suppose x is increased or decrease, the value of x is increased or decrease also. Anyone. Then the value of quantities y also increase. X increase होगा तो y increase होगा. X decrease होगा तो y also decrease. Okay, so in the ratio of the corresponding value remains constant, then the two quantities are said to be direct proportion. So what is direct proportion? The ratio will be constant, remain constant. X and y are two variable, then the ratio means, suppose ratio, so x and y, x by y equal to constant. So this is the what? Direct proportion. This is the direct proportion. Okay, the means that x and y will either increase together or decrease together by an amount that would not change the ratio, would not change, always be remain constant. Okay, so if x and y equal to constant, x by y equal to constant, then x and y are said to be directly proportional. Then x and y is, if x by y equal to constant, so means x equal to k into y, ky. So then we said to be x and y are directly proportional to each other. Okay, so the consumption of petrol and the distance travelled by a car is case of the direct proportion. Okay, another one, the variable increasing or decreasing together need not always be the direct proportion. For example, देखो, change in height or weight among the individual are not in any non-proportion. Suppose change height and weight changing the individual are not in any proportion. Again, second example, number of leaves growing on the branches of a tree and the height of the tree are not any ratio. डिक्रीज इंक्रीज ये नहीं होगा, मतलब ये रेशियो से हिसाब से नहीं होगा. ओके. सेकेंड, लेट्स कंसिडर एन एग्जाम्पल वेयर वी वुड use the concept of direct proportion. So what is direct proportion? If the weight of 12 sheet of thick paper is 40 grams, how many sheet of the same paper would the 3 kilogram? देखो 12 sheet weight is 40 grams. So 12 sheet weight is 40 gram. Means how many sheet of the same paper would weight the 3 किलोग्राम. यहाँ पर देखो x1 equal to 12 number of sheets, how many number of sheets of paper, and y1 equal to weight, y1 equal to 40 gram. Then x2 equal to, we find the x2 value. So how many number of sheets we find. Then y2 equal to weight, how much weight, 3 kg. तो यहाँ पर ग्राम है, यहाँ पर केजी है, तो उसको हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे ग्राम में. तो 3 kg इक्वल टू 3000 ग्राम. सो 12/40 मीन्स x1/y1 इक्वल टू x2/y2. Here x1 equal to 12, so 12/y1 equal to 40 gram. So x1 means 12/40 equal to x2/3 kilogram is 3000 gram. Look at here. So 12/40 equal to x/3000. So now we do 12/40 equal to x/3000. So we do cross multiplication, means 40x equal to, so implies that 40x equal to 12 into 3000. So x equal to 12 into 3000 by 40. So we solve this one, we get the answer. How many seeds? 900 seeds. So 900 seeds weight is 3 kilogram. Okay, this is the which proportion? Direct proportion. This is direct proportional. Okay. So what is inverse proportion? As the value of quantity x increase or decrease, the value of the quantity y also decrease. लेकिन डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन में क्या हो रहा था? If x is increase, then y is increase. If x is decrease, then y is decrease. But in this case, x is increase, then y is decrease. Vice versa. If x is decrease, then y is increase. Okay. So in such a manner that the product of the corresponding value remains constant. X and y are two variable. In the case of direct proportion, the ratio will be constant. But the inverse proportion, the product will be constant. Okay. So in the direct proportion, x/y equal to constant. This is direct proportion. Okay. But in the inverse proportion, the product of variable x and y equal to constant. This is the inverse. This is the inverse proportion. Okay. This means that when x increase, y will be decrease, and vice versa. Vice versa means if x is increase, y is decrease. If x is decrease, y is increase. Okay. So next we do examples. If takes 4 men 6 hours to repair a road. 4 men कितना टाइम लग रहा है उनको? 6 hours to repair a road. How long will take 8 men to do that job if they work in the same rate? वही काम को करने के लिए, कंप्लीट करने के लिए उसको कितना घंटा लगेगा. देखो, इन दिस केस मैन 4 मैन 6 आवर. लोग कम होंगे तो ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा, लोग ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे तो टाइम कम लगेगा. तो ये व्हिच प्रोपोर्शन? इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन. One increase, another one is decrease. So this is the inverse proportional. Okay, so here x1 equal to 4 men, x1 equal to 4 men, and y1 equal to 6 hour. Then x2 equal to how much? x2 equal to 8 men. Then y2 we find. y2 value is we find. How many times they spend the complete this work. Okay, so we know that the ratio will be same. This is direct proportion, but here the product will be same. Means xy equal to constant. X and y. So x1 into y1 means 4 into 6 equal to how much? K into x2. x2 means 8. ये देखो. So here k means यहाँ पर टाइम लिया है. Okay, so 4 into 6 equal to 8 into 6 means 8t equal to 24 hour. So t equal to 3 hour. 24 by 8. Okay, so how much time? 3 hours. So 4 men spend 6 hours, 8 men spend 3 hours. देखो, कम लोग थे, ज़्यादा टाइम लगा था. लोग बढ़ गए, 8 मैन हो गए तो 3 आवर. आवर कम हो गया तो ये 1 इंक्रीज हो रहे तो another 1 is decrease. So this is the inverse proportion. Okay, we take another example. Suppose a student can solve 5 sums in 10 days. One student 5 तो नंबर को कितना दिन में सॉल्व कर रहा है? 10 दिन में. तो हाउ मेनी सम्स कैन बी सॉल्व इन 40 डेज? देखो, नंबर ऑफ टेबल को देखो. सो लेट द नंबर ऑफ सम्स टू बी सॉल्व. सो नंबर ऑफ सम्स एंड नंबर ऑफ डेज. 500 नंबर्स को कितना दिन में सॉल्व करेंगे? इसको हम निकालना पड़ेगा. 10 नंबर्स को 40 दिन लग रहा है. तो दिस इज द which proportion? Direct proportion. So 500 by y equal to 10 by 40. So 500 into 40, this one 500 into 40 cross multiplication, 500 into 40, then y into 10. So 10y equal to 500 into 40. So y equal to 500 into 40 divided by 10 equal to 2000 sums. देखो, नंबर बढ़ गया है, वो दिन भी बढ़ा है. देखो 2000 सम्स. नंबर ऑफ डेज ऑल्सो इंक्रीज. यहाँ पर देखो 500 10 डेज, 2000 नंबर्स 40 डेज. तो दिस इज द डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन. ओके, सो व्हिच वन इज डायरेक्ट, व्हिच वन इज इनवर्स, वी क्लियर. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट लुक एट द अनदर एग्जांपल. सपोज if the weight of the 12 sheets of the thick paper is 40 grams, how much it will be the 2500 grams. Same, this is also direct proportional. Okay, so यहाँ पर solve हुआ है. Okay students, so we know that what is variation, what is how many types of variation. There are 2 types of variation. One is direct variation or proportion, another one is inverse proportion. 2 types of proportion. Okay, so what is direct proportion? If the ratio will be constant, then the variable also we know that directly proportional. If the product is constant, x into y equal to constant, then we said to be x and y are inversely proportional to each other. Okay, so thank you students.